You are going to love the 2023 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, trailering package, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlet, console, floor mats. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.